Hi guys, welcome to the second phase of our course. On this video, we're going to talk about Arduino or Arduino. Arduino is an open source microcontroller development board that can be used to build electronic projects. With Arduino, you can control lights, sensors, and motors. You can even create your own robot. For those who are interested in robotics, even IoT, Internet of Things, you can even build a drone. The program for this microcontroller or development board can be uploaded. The program that you can write for this development board can be uploaded using a computer or a laptop. This microcontroller is being designed for everyone like students, hobbyists, and for people with experience or non-experience with softwares and electronics. With Arduino, you can create things like robot, like I said, vehicle, alarm system, traffic lights, even the Christmas lights. For programming Arduino, you must use a software called IDE. The IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's a software that you can use to program this development board, which is Arduino software. Based on the processing project, it supports the two languages, C and C++, which are the two programming language we're going to use for this development board. As you can see, we have digital pins this side. Let me do this. We have digital pins this side. Let me get a darker color. Okay. So for this, as you can see, we have digital pins. So digital pins is from pin number 2 to pin number 13. Let me erase so that you can see it properly. So we have these are digital pins from pin 2 to pin number 13. Those are digital pins. So when you write a program, where does the program goes? Doesn't go to the whole board, but it goes to this microcontroller because this is a development board. So the program that you write, you program the microcontroller. This microcontroller called the ATmega 328. So, like I said, you need a computer, a PC to upload the code. How? By using a USB. Use a USB. Then these are the analog pins. These are the analog pins. Then this is for power. As you can see, we have 5 volt. We have GNDs. The GNDs pins are like negative pins. They work like negative pins. So let's say you don't want to use a computer. You want to give this thing a power without plugging it on the computer because the computer is just, we use it to program this microcontroller. But to power this microcontroller, you can supply it with a voltage from 5 volt. I know I said 7, but it's from 5 volt until 12 volt, not above that, or else you will damage it. So these pins are 0 and 1. Those are communication pins. Transmitter for TX, RX for receiver. And this one is a reset button. Let's say you program this robot, this development board to perform a certain task and you want this to repeat it. So what you do, or to start or reset, so you press a reset button. So a reset button is like starting from the beginning. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.